Planning a trip shouldn't feel like a second job. Most travelers are stuck in a mess of scattered spreadsheets and chaotic group chats. I built Northern to bridge that gap, a sophisticated travel architect that transforms vague intent into high-fidelity, executable itineraries.
But Northern isn't just a pretty face, it's a tool built for real-world logistics, powered by a resilient, distributed backend. By decoupling our ecosystem into microservices, I've separated creative AI logic from our business persistence layer. Traffic enters through a Spring Cloud gateway for JWT security and intelligent routing. From there, specialized services take over, Java Spring Boot for core trip persistence and Node.js for high-performance AI orchestration. Now, let's build a trip. Clicking Create New Trip opens our generation form, where the destination input is powered by the Google Places API to ensure we start with verified geographical data. When I hit Generate, we trigger the AI itinerary engineering flow. Unlike simple chat-based apps, Northern utilizes a specialized Node.js AI planner service. This service orchestrates a multi-phase workflow. It first asks Google Gemini for a creative skeleton itinerary, then immediately validates those suggestions against Google Places and Ticketmaster for real-world accuracy. To keep the UI responsive, I implemented lazy hydration via server-sent events, SSE. As you can see, the trip populates day by day. In the background, our logistics engine is calculating travel distances and times between every activity, healing any AI hallucinations by replacing them with verified locations and rich media. The result isn't just a list of ideas, it's a realistic, time-optimized plan. Beyond activities, Northern treats where you stay as a critical anchor for your trip. As we can see with the Rimrock Resort, the system doesn't just store a name, it hydrates the record with real-world metadata. I can instantly see the address, cost, amenities, pictures, and a direct booking link, ensuring all essential logistics are indexed in one place. With the foundation set, I can invite collaborators just by entering their email address. As we see in the sequence diagram, this request is routed through our Spring Cloud gateway to the trip service, which validates ownership and persists the member. To keep the UI lightning fast, I adopted an event-driven architecture using RabbitMQ. Instead of waiting for a slow email server handshake, the service offloads the task to a queue and returns a success response instantly. As the owner, I have full control to revoke access at any time. Checking Gmail, the invite arrived immediately, proving that decoupled background processing keeps the experience lag-free for the organizer and the guest alike. Once my friend accepts the invitation, we both drop into the live workspace. To handle this, I implemented a dedicated collaboration service using WebSockets and the STOMP protocol. In this split-screen view, notice the instant synchronization. When I reorder our Toronto itinerary using the drag-and-drop engine, the state change is broadcasted across the cluster in milliseconds. Every edit is synchronized without a single page refresh, ensuring the entire group stays on the same page. Both users can send chats to communicate in real time. There's no need to text over WhatsApp because all the context is saved right here. My friend suggests a night out in the chat, and as we can see the events on the sidebar suggestions, we can simply select and drop them into our day plan. While we are still working on some minor UI beautification and improvements, the underlying engine is fully functional. As we add this event, the system automatically recalibrates our total cost and average spending. Usability isn't just about making things easy to do. I've implemented a smart recovery system that acts as a dynamic safety net for your data. When I remove this event, it goes into a dynamic trash can. If I realize it was a mistake, clicking Restore puts it back exactly where it belongs. But we can push this further. Even if I delete an entire day of our Toronto trip, the system remains intelligent. When I restore it, our backend doesn't just recover the data, it smartly regenerates the day structure and relinks all activities and events in their original sequence. There's no need to manually rearrange anything. This ensures total data integrity, giving users the peace of mind to experiment with their plans without the fear of losing their hard work. While the AI provides a great foundation, Northern is designed to give you total manual power over your plan. For example, I can easily add a new day and rename it to something personal, like friend's house. Here, I can manually set the accommodation to my friend's place and add custom activities like a gaming session or a birthday celebration. This level of customization ensures that personal get-togethers and private events integrate perfectly into the itinerary. Once planning is complete, we head to the dedicated trip view page. While we are still developing features like direct email sharing and calendar sync, the core experience is fully functional. I wanted this to feel like a premium digital magazine, featuring a beautiful, dynamic background tailored to our destination, in this case, Toronto. Every detail, from our stay at the Drake Hotel to our daily activities, is laid out in a polished, easy-to-read format. Finally, we can publish this trip to the public Explore Hub. This allows any other user to deep clone our entire Toronto itinerary and customize it to match their own vibe. Now, I'm logged in as a different user. Right from the landing page, I can discover new adventures by selecting an Ontario card or using the interactive map to find local gems. This takes us to the Explore page, where I can see all the trips published by the community. I can view any trip as a magazine to preview the details, or I can deep clone it directly into my own account. Once the trip is cloned, it's completely mine to customize. I can open the AI personalized sidebar and use the category tabs to filter my options. Starting with the Activities tab, I can discover new experiences and sites to add to the itinerary. Switching over to the Food tab, the system suggests highly rated local restaurants to fit our schedule. Finally, in the Stay tab, I have the flexibility to swap out accommodations for something that fits my specific vibe. This modular approach ensures that even a clone trip becomes a unique, high-fidelity experience with just a few clicks. Building Northern taught me to master microservices, RabbitMQ workflows, and real-time WebSockets. It was an incredible journey in balancing AI innovation with robust system design. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR codes to visit my portfolio and LinkedIn. I look forward to connecting.